You know what? I don't like this rain. No. I don't care for it. I don't like it. Sheesh. This rain is worrisome. Rain, rain, go away, please. I need some sunshine in my life. Sunshine just makes you motivated, just gets you going. This so weird weather just make you not want to do nothing. Just make you just want to go home, get under the covers, and hibernate. And that's exactly what I'm going to do in a couple of hours. Go home. Because this is whack. This weather is whack. You understand me? Whack. This weather sucks. I can't stand it. And now we have the time change, which I love. But come on, I can't do this weather. I need some sunshine in my life.